Have you ever wondered why your joints ache, swell, and stiffen? Could it be arthritis? Arthritis is a term that envelops over 100 different conditions, all characterized by inflammation of the joints. It's a global condition, affecting millions of people worldwide. But what exactly is arthritis? Inflammation is the body's natural response to injury or disease, a protective reaction designed to rid the body of harmful stimuli. However, in arthritis, this inflammation becomes chronic, causing pain, swelling, stiffness, and ultimately, a reduced range of motion. Arthritis can dramatically alter the quality of life, making everyday activities challenging. Simple tasks such as walking, holding objects, or even getting out of bed can become a struggle. But it's important to remember that arthritis, while ubiquitous, isn't a one-size-fits-all condition. It's a complex and multifaceted disease, with multiple types and causes, each requiring a unique approach to management. Arthritis, while common, is a complex condition with multiple types and causes. Arthritis isn't a single disease, it's an umbrella term covering a multitude of conditions. Let's delve into the origins and types of arthritis. The most common forms are osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Osteoarthritis, often dubbed the wear and tear arthritis, is associated with the breakdown of cartilage in joints. It typically occurs in the hands, knees, hips, and spine, and is often related to aging and joint injury. On the flip side, rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune condition, where your body's immune system mistakenly attacks your own tissues, primarily in the joints. This can lead to chronic inflammation and debilitating pain. These two forms of arthritis differ significantly in their origins, with one being a result of physical wear and the other a manifestation of an overactive immune system. Despite these differences, both types share a common thread. They cause pain and discomfort that can significantly impact a person's life. While the types may vary, the pain and discomfort they cause are universally shared. Arthritis management is more than just popping pills. It requires a comprehensive, holistic approach. When we speak of managing arthritis, we're not just talking about medical interventions like anti-inflammatory medications, physical therapy, or surgery in severe cases. We're talking about a lifestyle change that addresses the disease on multiple fronts. Exercise, for instance, is a key aspect of this holistic approach. Regular physical activity can help strengthen the muscles around affected joints and improve flexibility. Activities like swimming, yoga, and low-impact exercises can be especially beneficial for people living with arthritis. This is because these activities are gentle on the joints while still providing the movement necessary to maintain muscle strength and joint flexibility. But the changes don't stop there. Adapting your environment can also play a crucial role in managing arthritis. This might involve using assistive devices such as cushions, utensil supports, and adapted chairs at home or in the workplace. These adaptations can help ease the daily challenges faced by those living with arthritis. Of course, what you put into your body is just as important as what you do with it. A balanced diet rich in anti-inflammatory foods can help control inflammation. This includes fruits, vegetables, omega-3 rich fish, and nuts. Maintaining a healthy weight can also help by reducing the burden on your joints. And let's not forget the importance of psychological and emotional support. Living with arthritis can take a toll on your emotional well-being. Seeking psychological support and participating in support groups can provide a valuable network for those facing the daily challenges of arthritis. Emotional understanding and resilience are vital for managing this condition. In essence, the holistic approach to managing arthritis is about more than just treating symptoms. It's about empowering individuals to take an active role in their health. It's about making changes that can improve quality of life on a daily basis. It's about understanding that managing arthritis is a journey that involves both body and mind, requiring strength, flexibility, and emotional resilience. Managing arthritis involves both body and mind, requiring strength, flexibility, and emotional resilience. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to managing arthritis. It's through continued education that we understand the triggers and signs of this condition, equipping us to make informed decisions about our health. Awareness about arthritis, its intricacies and treatment options is not just beneficial for individuals living with the condition, but it also empowers the community to be more supportive and understanding. In parallel, the world of medicine never stands still. Researchers tirelessly work on unraveling the mysteries of arthritis, leading to breakthroughs in treatment. Innovations in medical technology are continually improving the way we manage arthritis, from more effective medications to advanced surgical techniques. Participating in clinical studies not only offers access to these advancements but also contributes to the evolution of medical science. With understanding, support, and medical advancements, an arthritis diagnosis is not the end, but the beginning of a journey to improved health.